Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just showing you my trip to the village. I traveled to the village for 3 days, and instead of telling you all about it, why don't I just show you? I hope you enjoy all the calmness, the greenery, and all the sound that I enjoyed while in the village. The purpose of this video is to just take you through my journey and for you to enjoy all the sounds and calmness. So relax and enjoy. Big auntie is doing.
Bye bye.
It's kind of